Porgy friends. It's Friday and kitchen's closed.
Today on Kitchen's Closed, we are downtown Szczecin in Park Kasprowicza. Kasprowicza. Now, we've been here to Park Kasprowicza before when we were telling you all about us. And we were eating...
Kebabs.
We were eating the kebabs. But the park wasn't in all its glory at that point, was it?
It was not.
And now, what are these?
Krokusy.
What are they in American
I
talk?
don't know.
The purple flowers have bloomed.
Yeah, so Washington, D.C. has their cherry
blossoms,
trees, cherry blossoms, and Szczecin has these gorgeous flowers. They bloom every spring, and it seems that every year there's more and more, and people flock out and take pictures, and a lot of them step on them.
We've decided,
unfortunately. But they look gorgeous. They're all over the park, so we'll walk around today and show you some of the park and some of these beautiful flowers.
So yeah, come along with us. We're not going to be so much eating today as having some coffee and maybe one of Aj's favorite
Sweet buns?
Sweet buns, maybe. But today's more about Park Kasprowicza and that it's 70 degrees and sunny.
Yes.
So we had to get out, especially since we just came off of the quarantine.
Yes.
So we need to be outside with the fresh airs.
Yes.
All the fresh airs.
So let's go?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Wait this way. Park Kasprowicza was established in the city of Szczecin in around 1900. In 1945, after the end of World War II and the accompanying transfer of the city of Szczecin to the Polish People's Republic, the park was named Jan Kasprowicz Park, after the poet Jan Kasprowicz. Szczecin City Hall marks the southern border of Park Kasprowicza. The building was built in stages from 1924 to 1927. On July 5th, the first Polish mayor of Szczecin, Piotr Zaramba, took office in this building. Today, besides being the seat of power in the city, it also houses governmental offices such as the Department of Motor Vehicles. A large statue sits in Park Kasprowicza of Pope John Paul II. Pope John Paul was born in the Polish city of Wadowice. Pope John Paul served as the head of the Catholic Church from 1978 until his death in 2005. This statue was resurrected on the site in 1995 in commemoration of his visit to the West Pomeranian region in 1987. So did you guys come here when you were kids?
No, we used to come here a lot when I was in college.
Yeah.
Between classes, and especially in the spring. And you just were so sick of winter. Come out here, have a beer on the grass, and go back to class. Half lit.
Ready to learn, huh?
Ready to learn.
It is. It's a carpet. Beautiful purpleness. So what else do they do in Park Kasprowicza? They hold any concerts here ever?
So
Or?
there's a, what do you call it? The muszla, seashell, concert shell. What do you call that?
Oh, the band shell. Clamshell, band shell,
Yeah,
bandstand.
on the other side, we'll walk to it. There's a bunch of concerts there every year, and here is just open space for people to come and enjoy and get lode, ice cream.
There's a lot of ice cream. We should go get ice cream.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4 ice cream shops here.
On the one street.
Yeah.
That doesn't count the carts.
No.
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 Well, it is. I know Poles do love their ice cream, so we should go get some lode across the street.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll have a lode. You have a coffee.
Okay.
Sounds like a plan?
Sure.
Let's go. You got the stuff?
No coffee.
That's okay. I got my chocolate. It's your turn to film.
And film eating your, we'll film you eating ice cream.
So maybe it is a little bit about food. That's an unhappy young man over there.
This doesn't have ice cream.
It doesn't, not yet. So Poles love lode. It's everywhere, all summer. Rain, shine, doesn't matter. The second Poles can get outside and have ice cream, they will. Am I right?
Uh-huh.
And now, I have ice cream and you don't.
I want some coffee.
You're a terrible Polak if you don't have ice cream.
I want coffee.
Let's go get coffee then.
Okay.
Come on. The Three Eagle statue is meant to represent 3 generations of Poles that rebuilt the country after World War II. The monument was erected in 1979 for the 40th anniversary of the beginning of the war. As an American, it's hard for me to understand in my core that Poland regained its independence at the conclusion of World War I in 1918, just to be occupied again in 1939. Poland would remain under the thumb of occupation until the fall of the Soviet Union in 1989. Dziękuję. Got your coffee?
I got my mini espresso macchiato
I love mini espresso macchiato.
with soy milk.
Alright, should we go down by the river?
Yes, I just need to put some sugar in my coffee.
Just dip your pinky in it.
Then it'll be bitter. Looks
It's beautiful. That's the new bridge. They replaced the bridge that was there for a very long time.
so informative.
Well, I am a bridge expert. And this is the new bridge. As I said, replaced the old bridge. I will tell you, the old bridge looked a little janky. I never crossed it because I didn't want to fall in the river.
The Letní Teatr, or Summer Theater, is located at the northwest corner of the park. It is one of the largest amphitheaters in Poland, and before renovation, it could seat 4,500 people. Hasior's Fiery Birds. This original outdoor sculpture is located at the Kasprowicza Park on the slope on the east side of the Summer Theater. It depicts a flock of colorful birds with decorative jagged wings set as metal paperwork, set on metal, open work wheels of various sizes. Initially, all of the elements of the sculpture were covered with silver paint. It was only during the first renovation, personally supervised by Władysław Hasior, that they received their current color scheme. The Fiery Birds composition was initially put on the escarpment at the castle by Władysław Hasior in 1975 as part of his individual exhibition at the Ducal Castle. The unusual modernist sculpture is made of profiles, rods, chains, and metal sheets. Hasior was the creator of many provocative and unconventional outdoor monuments and sculptures in Poland and abroad. The author of the sculpture, Władysław Hasior, died in 1999.
Yep, I suppose.
I suppose. That's our episode, friends.
Thanks for tagging along. Sorry this wasn't the most invigorating or chatty Cathy video. We're still recovering. And
Stop blaming it on the recovery.
I'm sorry. We just gotta get our mojo back, mojofying.
We're looking forward to going somewhere.
We want to go somewhere.
We're just going stir crazy here.
I mean, Szczecin's beautiful, right? But I've got enough of that now. It's time for something new.
So in May 1st through 3rd, there's a national holiday, Constitution Day and Labor Day, and normally people get away for that. It's called Majówka. And we plan on going camping.
We do.
So that should be a little bit more fun.
As long as everything's not shut down. Right now, everything's shut down.
I don't think should be. Yeah, and right now everything's shut down. All this, everything but grocery stores and
hospitals.
Hospitals, which are full, are. The pandemic is getting worse here in Poland, so you have to bear with us.
We're trying. But anyway, we hope you like Park Kasprowicza. It's a cool place. And when you're in Szczecin, visiting Poland,
definitely come see it.
Come see it.
Have some ice cream and walk around.
A coffee.
Yep, explore. It's It's a gorgeous park. It'll get greener and greener and more beautiful, and it'll be well attended all the way through summer.
And if you are a food truck operator or restaurateur,
Yeah.
not one food truck down
Come
here.
park here.
Thousands of people, no food. Anyway,
Market Gap.
market cap. All
All
right.
right, guys. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, that's good. Now let's pretend that it's summertime and we're goofing off.